According to recent studies, there are over 9 million people that are now making money from home. And if you're watching this right now, chances are you're one of them. But how much are these people actually making? Well, I've seen some numbers as high as $18,000 per month, which is incredible. In today's video, I wanted to show you how you could be making at least $100 every single day, all while just doing things that you love from the comfort of your own home. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it isn't. And in fact, when you consider all the different side hustles that we're going to talk about, it's actually pretty easy to do. Let's get straight into it, starting with number 1, surveys and micro tasks. As you can see, there are plenty of websites online that will pay you to complete simple tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, and even testing websites. The best part is you can do this from anywhere in the world, and all you really need is a computer or smartphone. My favorite website to use for this is a website called UserFeel, where you can get paid up to $60 per 20-minute test. At this rate, you would be earning $100 in less than an hour. If you want to take it one step further, why not try and tackle multiple tests in one sitting? That way you can easily make double or even triple your money. You might be thinking $60 for 20 minutes is a lot to earn, but trust me, these companies are willing to pay big bucks for real user feedback. So don't underestimate yourself here. Take a look at this. One person completed 10 tests and earned $544. Another person completed 8 tests and made $432. And finally, another user completed 12 tests and earned $720. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Well, this seems too good to be true. Are these earnings actually legit? Well, let me tell you they are. Take a look at these reviews left by actual users on Trustpilot. Commentaries. Overwhelmingly positive, right? With an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. Clearly, people are having success after success. Moving on to number 2, virtual assistant. If you have organizational skills and enjoy administrative tasks, becoming a virtual assistant could be a great side hustle for you. Your responsibilities would include managing calendars, scheduling meetings, and handling emails on behalf of busy professionals. According to ZipRecruiter, the average hourly wage for a virtual assistant is $18. Assuming you work just 5 days a week for 5 hours each day, you'll earn $450 per week or $1,350 per month. And the best part is, you can do this all from the comfort of your own home. Number 3, social media manager. Another excellent option is becoming a social media manager. Many businesses are looking for someone to handle their social media presence, and with your expertise, you could help them grow their following and engage with customers. According to the data, the average social media manager earns around $30 per hour. That means working just 2 hours a day could earn you $100 per day. Number 4, content writer. Are you a natural writer? Then why not put your skills to use and become a content writer? Businesses are always looking for fresh, engaging content for their websites and blogs, and you could be the one to provide it. According to ZipRecruiter, the average content writer earns $43,000 per year. That's equal to $30,500 per month. Finally, number 5, graphic designer. If you have a creative flair, then graphic designing could be the perfect side hustle for you. From creating logos to designing marketing materials, the possibilities are endless. According to ZipRecruiter, the average graphic designer earns $50,000 per year. That's equal to $4,166 per month. So there you have it, 5 amazing side hustles that you can start from the comfort of your own home and make at least $100 per day. Now, I know it won't happen overnight, but with hard work and dedication, it is possible. Just take a moment and think about all the financial freedom that would bring. No more worrying about money, no more living paycheck to paycheck. You can achieve it all from the comfort of your own home. All it takes is a little creativity and some hustle. So which side hustle will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more ways to make money online, make sure to check out our other videos. Thank you for watching and best of luck on your journey to financial freedom.